Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chat and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video with your friends and family. Today we do exercise 5. What you are supposed to do, fill in the blanks with past perfect continuous tense or present perfect continuous tense or future perfect continuous tense forms. So 3 all continuous perfect continuous tense forms, isn't it? That was the given exercise. Now let us do the exercise one by one each sentence. Okay, when I went to railway station, I went to railway station. So this indicates past action, isn't it? Went, past action. My friend dashed for me for 2 hours. My friend, which one is correct now? Had been waiting or has been waiting or will have been waiting. Which one is correct? I went to railway station. So past action, but before that something happened. My friend had been waiting. When I went to the station, he had been waiting for 2 hours. Past continuous action, and always you observe in continuous tense forms, especially perfect continuous tense, duration is important. When that action was started, when it was going on. Okay, that duration of time very important. Then this tense always it talks or it expresses with time, in reference to time only it talks about. So in every sentence also you find the time reference. Okay, whether it is past or present or future. Okay, so this is an talks about past action, so you must write past perfect continuous tense. Okay, then he did study in Delhi public school since 2015. Since that time, since 2015, what he's doing, has been studying. From that year onwards, he has been studying in Delhi public school, still going on, isn't it? So, has been studying. Since that time, he has been studying, not he had been studying or will have been studying, because time period, starting period is mentioned and still action is going on. Here, when I went to railway station means that's an action was interrupted, isn't it? By that time, he had been waiting. Before that, only for 2 hours. Okay, suppose I went to railway station at 5 o'clock means before that at 3 o'clock onwards, he had been waiting. But here also since 2015 till now, till date 2020, so he has been studying in that school for 5 years. Okay, so you go with present perfect continuous tense. Ajay dash not play, negative sentence you have to frame, football for 5 years. So Ajay. So third person singular, here also third person singular. He after has, for past form no confusion, only had. But only present perfect continuous tense only this confusion. So he, and here also Ajay. So go for has. Then not play, negative sentence you have to frame. Ajay has not been playing football for 5 years, has not been playing football for 5 years. So that period, time period is mentioned for 5 years. He has not been playing football. Okay. Then Lasya dash as clerk for 10 years before she got promotion. So before she got promotion, what was she doing? She had been working as clerk for how many years? For 10 years. If this time period is not mentioned, you can go for past continuous tense also. Lasya was working as clerk before she got promotion, isn't it? She was working. But when this period is mentioned, compulsorily you have to go with continuous, perfect continuous tense, isn't it? That's why Lasya had been working as clerk before she got promotion for 10 years before she got promotion. So got indicates past action. My mother dashed TV serials for 2 hours by the time my father comes. By the time my father comes, it is talking about future time clause. So go for future perfect continuous tense, isn't it? So my mother will have been watching TV serials for how much time? For 2 hours. By the time my father comes, what she'll be doing? She will have been watching. Will have been watching. Okay, for 2 hours. Next. They dash for an hour. They have been talking. Okay, they have been talking for an hour. All the friends, if they sit together, it goes on, isn't it? More than 1 hour also, they sit together and they keep on talking. So they have been talking for an hour. Even the ladies, when they sit together, they have been talking continuously. They have been talking for an hour, and sometimes it goes beyond that also, isn't it? So, for an hour indication, and you go for present perfect continuous tense because no past word or no future indication, then you go for present perfect continuous tense. Okay, that is also another thing you remember. He dash in the company for 30 years when he retires. Means by the time of his retirement, he will have been completing, he will have been working in that company for 30 years of service, he will have been completing. But when he retires, maybe if he means he will retire by next year, means by this time he will have completed 29 years of service. He will have completed. Okay. And one more year he will have been working. So he will have been working in the company for 30 years when he retires. This also a future time clause. It is talking about future time clause. So go for future perfect continuous tense. That will have been working. Work plus ing. Okay. Then he dashed for an hour when he ran out of petrol. So when he ran out of petrol, past past tense, it's an indication. Then you should go for past perfect continuous tense. That is had been driving. Had been driving. Again, duration is mentioned for an hour when he ran out of petrol. Till that time he had been driving for an hour. Means when the petrol was over in the car, before that he had been driving for an hour. Okay. I dashed this mobile phone since 2019. Means I have been using this for an year. For an year. Since 2019, I have been using this mobile phone. Okay. Still, I will may continue also, but till that period when I am talking. So I have been using this mobile phone since 2019. He was tired because he dashed all day. He was tired. Reason. Why was he tired? What was he doing before that? He was tired because continuously he had been cycling all day. He had been cycling all day. So he was tired. So, cause, what's the reason for tiredness here? Because he had been cycling. This is the reason. Past perfect continuous tense because this is an indication for us. It is a past action. So, go for past perfect continuous tense had been cycling. So with this, we completed tenses completely. All tenses we completed, and we did a review of tenses also. After that, I gave few exercises for practice, isn't it? We worked out few exercises also. So I hope you have learned all the tenses clearly. You have understood. I hope so. Thank you for watching my video.